everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to send money on Cash App using. First, we're going to start by scanning a QR code. So this is the home page. You can see QR code at the top left, so you click on it, or you can decide to pay by coming down here and looking at this option for pay. Now, any of the options you choose is okay. So let's start with the QR code. So you click at the top left corner here of your screen. Remember, I'm using iOS device, it may be different on Android device. So when you click on it to open up, they are going to ask the person you're sending the money to also open their phone to show you their QR code so you can easily scan it. So that's it. You can see to scan the QR code. They don't see their own. At the bottom here, you can see the options of scan and my device. So they should choose my device. So back to the home page. Here, if you don't want to go through that method, you can also pay by clicking on pay down here. This is the option for pay, and then you open up this file. It's open up this form. So you type in the person you want to pay the money to. For example, let's say I want to pay to Mary Allen. So I'll put in Mary Allen. Then what is the purpose of the money? Let's say for rent. And then you can have three options here. Do you want to send it as cash, as a gift card, or what have you? Then here is a list of numbers that you've sent to before or you have synced to your phone, the contacts. So you can choose any of them. It depends on the person you're sending to. The person's number is part of those that you normally send to. So as you can see, let's say I want to send to that first contact there, and I feed in 4 and 2. Then at the top here, you click on send. It is as simple as that.